Internal PC communication failing because of the Dialserver.dll DLL. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Follow me for a safe, engineered fix. Don't let Dialserver module slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Dialserver module, the Discovery and Launch DLL server library. It allows second screen apps, like YouTube on a phone, to discover and launch apps on your Windows PC, like YouTube on the desktop. If corrupted, the Cast to Device feature will stop working and users will report that their PC is no longer visible to other smart devices on the network. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. Dialserver is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Dialserver module component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If the restart didn't restore your connection, we need to reset the network stack and clear the protocol cache. First, open command prompt as admin, then run these two commands. Erst, type n.etsh space int space IP space reeset, then hit enter. Second, type n.etsh space winsock space reset, then hit enter again. Why are we doing this? Well, these DLLs manage the plumbing of your internet. Resetting the stack clears out corrupted cached routes and orchestration manifests. I'd like to provide a brief technical warning about the risks of using unofficial file repositories. A critical reminder, modifying Dialserver module DLL manually is dangerous. Without a verified installation source, you risk overriding essential files that your hardware depends on for basic functionality and security. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. A maintenance-related solution is referenced below for users who want to review diagnostic options for Dialserver module. I'm Sophie Chen. If we've successfully stabilized your environment and resolved Dialserver module error, please subscribe and join our community of technical professionals.